Yeah, you said rabbits? I'll take a look. I'm not seeing any holes. Oh, yep, I found it. It's right here. Looks like that's the hole. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Oh, bigger than it looks. Huh. Hop into the Easter spirit early this weekend at Detail King. Save 20% off most Detail King products on orders $125 and up. Use code APRIL20 to get 20% off most Detail King products. Every order placed over the weekend will receive a free Detail King Easter egg with a coupon code in it that's valid on your next order. These coupon codes range from 10 to 20% off, and they're valid through the end of May. So act fast, get your orders in, and celebrate Easter this weekend at Detail King.